Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python tutorial series. Today, we're diving into string manipulation, a fundamental aspect of Python programming. In this tutorial, I will show you how to slice and concatenate strings in Python, two essential operations for working with text data. Let's start by understanding string slicing in Python. Slicing allows us to extract a portion of a string by specifying a range of index. It's like slicing a cake and then grabbing a piece of it. In this example, we are extracting characters from index 1 to 4, excluding 5 of the string in the variable myString. This is the slicing syntax. It extracts a substring from the variable starting from index 1 up to index 5. So it includes characters 1, 2, 3, and 4. This statement prints the value of the substring variable. So let's try to run this program. Click on Run. As you can see, it displays the extracted substring from our variable, which contains the characters ELLO or LO. Now let's talk about string concatenation. Concatenation is the process of joining multiple strings together to create a new string. So here's how you can concatenate strings in Python. In this example, I made a variable that contains a value, hello, and then Frank. Now, this is a new variable that says concatenated string. In here, we are joining string 1, comma, string 2, and then an exclamation mark to form a new string. This statement prints the value of the concatenated string variable. So, let's try running this program. Click on Run. And in here, you will see the output of the print statement. It displays the concatenated string, which is hello Frank, in a single line, even though we have two different variables that has two different values. Now that you understand string slicing and concatenation, let's see how you can use them together for a more complex text data in Python. In this example, we applied slicing for the second line and concatenation for the third line. Now once we print this, the original output, which is supposed to be hello Frank, turns into goodbye Frank. So let's see if it results to that. And that's it. These are techniques for working with text data and skills for any Python programmer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you gain a proper understanding of our topic. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to not miss out on our future tutorials.